How to disable offline mode on Deezer mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to disable offline mode on Deezer mobile. First thing, open Deezer and now just click here the settings icon in the top corner and scroll down, and as you see here you will find this one, offline mode. And now all you need to do, if you want to disable it, you will find it like that, and if you want to disable it, just click on it, and that's it. As you see, offline mode have been disabled, and that's how to disable offline mode. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.